What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Ella and I'm 20 years old.
If a foreigner was only visiting the Philippines for 1 month, would you date him while he was here, even if probably wouldn't become a serious relationship?
I feel like I wouldn't even date him because um it's not my cup of tea, and I feel like I'm smart enough not to stay in a relationship where I will not grow as an individual, or I feel like I just know my worth.
If a guy tells you in the middle of the date that he doesn't want anything serious, do you leave right then or finish the date?
I would leave right then and there and just finish the day. I don't want to waste any time.
Okay. If a foreigner you are dating tells you he is only here for 30 days, is it a challenge to win his heart before he leaves?
Um, I'd I'd rather not. I'd rather um I I don't think I can survive in a relationship where I feel like I'm not secure enough.
At what age would you like to get married and have children?
Um, I don't think I in this economy I don't like to have any children
Very interesting and shocking at the same time. Why is that?
because I mean just look at the Philippines. The state of our country right now, it's not it.
Do you think a lot of women, Filipina your age, would have the same thing, the same mindset, like they wouldn't want to have children?
I don't think I don't really know. I mean, my answer would only base on my own. Um, I, it's not a one size fit all, and my answer would differ from other Filipinas as well. And I don't want to speak for all of them. We are different.
I'm curious, do you have like siblings?
Yeah, she's my sister.
Oh, she's very tall.
Yeah, I
Very
know.
tall, very tall. We're gonna show you her later. Maybe she wants to be interviewed as well. But okay, so you only have one sibling, her.
I I have three other siblings.
Oh, okay. Okay, three siblings. Okay, now what do you want your life to look like in 10 years?
Um, I'd like my life to be fulfilled and just be happy, genuinely happy and fulfilled. Successful as well.
Okay. You're still in college now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What are you studying, Beth?
Dentistry.
Okay, I can tell. You have white teeth. Beautiful teeth. Do you want to say hi, Be? Come here. She has a very pretty sister. I couldn't believe that you're I thought you're like your friends. She's very tall.
She's my sister.
Oh, she's very tall, but look at her height. Oh my god. Say hi, Be.
Hi.
How tall are you, by the way?
I think I'm 5'6".
She could be a model.
I know. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Could be are your siblings like her height or your height?
Her height.
The same thing with me. My husband was like, "Oh, why are you the tiniest in the family? My siblings, they're way taller than me. Really, like they're taller than me. So I'm the eldest, but I'm the shortest. How about you?
I'm the youngest and I'm the shortest.
Okay, I want to interview her, but she's very shy. What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Eliza. I'm 22 years old.
Eliza, if a foreigner was only visiting the Philippines for 1 month, would you date him while he was here, even if it probably wouldn't become a serious relationship?
For me, it depends on my situation. Uh, if here he want join and he want friends, it's okay. But when the ongoing to relationship seriously, if my feelings is not already
prepared for enter the relationship seriously. No.
Are you saying that you're open? You're
Yeah.
open to date someone who is only visiting the Philippines for 1 month, even you are not sure if you will have a serious relationship. You're open with that.
Yeah. But it depends on my feelings.
If a guy tells you in the middle of the date that he doesn't want anything serious, do you leave right then or finish the date?
I finished the date already because I want I want see who I him, and I want see the personality of the guy, not not seriously but just a friend.
Oh, okay. So you're willing to still know him more, know the real him for friendship, not for relationship.
Yeah.
Since he said that he's not up to, serious. Okay. If a foreigner you are dating tells you he's only here for 30 days, is it a challenge to win his heart before he leaves?
I think yes. Because if you love someone in ongoing the relationship or dating, he fall in love with you, and I think he stay here for the meantime if he is him seriously.
What would you do to win his heart?
I think for cooking, and the Filipina is love cooking to everyone and the family, and the big heart a man to make love is cooking at him.
What would you cook? Like the meal.
Adobo, because adobo is the so is so delicious and popular in here in the Philippines.
At what age would you like to get married and have children?
I think 28 years old, because that age is probably preferred to enter the relationship and married and to have children already and to make a happy family.
How many children do you want in the future?
Just to
Okay. What do you want your life to look like in 10 years?
I think in the 10 years I'm a housewife with a big business owner, because that is my dream, to be a business owner, the big to be CEO.
Wow, that's beautiful. I have another question for you. Since you said that you want two kids in the future, right? By that time you're like 28, that's the like perfect time for you or perfect age for you to have family, have kids. What if your partner doesn't want kids?
I think it's okay. Him it's okay for me because the man, he have already reason why don't want two kids. That's
Okay, so you're willing to,
yeah.
not to have kids for the person that you love.
Because if you love the someone, um, if you love someone, he you accept what he want and you accept everything.
Are you still in college?
Yeah,
What are you studying?
I'm criminology student. I'm fourth year college.
Graduating?
Yeah,
Advance, congratulations.
I'm also is working student.
What is your name and how old are you?
My name is Jazz and I'm 21 years old.
Okay. If a foreigner was only visiting the Philippines for 1 month, would you date him while he was here, even if it probably wouldn't become a serious relationship?
I think I wouldn't because I believe into I'm the person date to marry like that. That's why I think I don't marry a foreigner who wouldn't want to settle here in the Philippines.
Okay. If a guy tells you in the middle of the date that he doesn't want anything serious, do you leave right then or finish the date?
I think I finished the date and talked to her. I talked to him after, so that it's, you know, fix everything before leaving. That's the right thing to do, I think.
So it's kind of you're gonna ask him like why, like you wouldn't have why you wouldn't want a serious relationship like that.
Yeah, something like that. And yeah, respect the decision.
Okay. If a foreigner you are dating tells you he's only here for 30 days, is it a challenge to win his heart before he leaves?
Yeah, I think it's a challenge. And also a challenge for me too. Since I know that it's only 30 days and I think pwede po Tagalog, sorry.
English lang, kaya mo yan.
I think it's not enough days or it's not enough time to get to know this person like that. That's it.
Not enough time. Okay, to get to know to that person. Okay. So for you it's not enough time as well to win his heart.
Yeah, it's not enough time.
So that's why it's a challenge.
Yeah, it's a challenge.
Okay. If it really happens to you, what would you do? If you only given 30 days for you to make him fall in love with you, win his heart, what are you gonna do?
If I really like that person, I think I would do the best thing every day so that I could win the person so that he can settle or be back at the Philippines like that.
Can you give us an example? Like, would you cook for him? What are you gonna do exactly?
The what do you call it? Wife material doing.
At what age would you like to get married and have children?
I think 26, 28, like that. Yeah.
How many children do you wish to have in the future?
And one because it's so hot right now, so the kids eh, will be suffer, and I don't like that.
I've seen that on social media. They're saying that Filipinos now, especially the new generation, they only want like one, two, or like three kids, like that. They don't want a big family. Why is that?
It's maybe because of the what do you call that? The things are sorry.
Inflation.
The inflation, yeah, exactly. The inflation is really crazy right now.
Okay. What do you want your life to look like in 10 years?
I would I would like to be a princess living in a mansion like that. And yeah, living my dream life. 10 years.
So that's your dream,
Yeah,
to become a princess sleeping, laying on the bed.
I think everyone want to be like living in their own living their own I mean sorry living their dream life like that.
That's very simple. You don't even ask for anything, right? You just want to be like feel like you're a princess or
The peace, I really want a peace in the future.
okay. I guess a lot of us want that. Okay. Are you single by the way or are you in a relationship?
I am single.
How long have you been single?
I think since birth.
Why is that?
Right now because I'm focused on my study and I really since I mentioned that I wanted to live in my dream life, I really focus on that. But I'm open. Yeah.
Okay, no boyfriend since birth. Still in college, right?
Yeah, I'm still in college.
What are you studying?
Medical technology.
Graduating.
No, third year.
Third year. Okay, one more year you will graduate. And you're from here, from Naga, right?
From here po.
So if you are no boyfriend since birth now and you are 21-year-old, I'm just want to ask you, what age would you, I mean, you would feel that you're getting nervous that you're not yet married, let's say, or you don't have kids yet? At what age? You'll feel that like, oh no, I'm getting old.
I think I'm not getting nervous at all when I mean like that, because all I wanted to do is to have peace in the future. If God gave me a family, if God gave me a kid, it was good. But for me, it's okay. I think I'm not getting nervous about it.
What if you're already 35 years old and no kids yet and not even married?
You know, right now we can freeze our eggs. So in the future we can use that. So yeah, maybe it's simple right now to do that. Then like we have a lot of problems, especially here in the Philippines. So I think the 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 first one we need to think about is the problem. What do you call problem? Like in a government not having a kid or a family.
Okay, so that's why you only want peace. That's it. Peace of mind.
Guys, only peace.
What are you looking for in a guy? Since you're 21 years old, no boyfriend since birth, I'm curious what kind of guy you're dreaming or you're looking for.
Of course, a provider one and God fearing. Yeah, that's it.
God fearing and provider. Thank you so much. Thank you. We really do appreciate your time and your honesty. Thank you so much. Hi everyone. Hopefully we have earned your subscription. And also if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care everyone. Bye-bye.